Standing over there in that white dress, just to impress. She never stressed, just wanna sit back, collect a check from these sweats that walk up in this bitch. Yeah, walk up in the room, what it do? She waving at you, dude. Buy a drink or two, buy a drink or two. Be real nice to her.
It should be like made by me.
She would cut me out of there.
I'm not gonna act right on camera.
You never act right anyway, nigga. Ain't no act right in your body, especially when it comes to my black ass. Nigga, bullshit. I'm gonna show her how to eat a goddamn wing too. Oh,
1 wing, 2 wings, 3 wings, 4, 3.5
and you
wings.
had that pussy nigga fragrance on your skirt.
3.5.
This nigga woke up, said, I'm hungry.
That's why I tried to eat my
I'm starving, is what you said.
I was starving though. I'm bored.
You actually look nice with this lighting.
I look nice in any light.
You don't look nice when there's dark.
That doesn't even make sense.
Exactly.
Everybody look better in the dark.
Especially me, because I'm chocolate.
Yeah, meaning we can't see your black ass.